G'day, I'm Jacob. I'm a science teacher in Australia. This is my 5th weekly blog, The Week in a Life of a Science Teacher. It's Monday morning, and over the weekend I received this light modulator kit. Well, it's not really a kit, but it's like a demonstration activity from www.lightmodulator.com. And look, I've been doing this sort of demonstration thing using LED lights and sound and photovoltaic cells for a long time, but this company has like compacted it to make it easy and make it accessible for all science teachers. So it's a pretty exciting demonstration. So let me show you what it is. I'm going to turn on some music. So we've just got some music playing, and then I've got this kit where I'll turn it on, and I'm going to plug in the jack. And so now I've got the music playing across the terminals of this LED torch. Turn on the torch. Now, here's the exciting thing. There's a photovoltaic cell here, and it's attached via an amplifier to the speaker. So are you ready? This is going to blow you away. Ready, set. Look at that. Transmitting sound via modulated light through the air. Woo! Check this little light they also send out, right? Have a look. So, also in the kit is this little flashing light. So I'll turn this little flashing light on. Woo. Turn this little flashing light on. And what you do is you put the little beads on the disc, on the speaker. Whoa. And you can demonstrate kinetic particle theory. So get a load of this. Here, I'll bring it up to you. Have a look. So kinetic particle theory, particles in constant vibration in a solid. As you increase their energy, they start moving about, and you start getting a liquid. Increase the energy even more, and then they start leaving. You ready? Oh, here they go. They're turning into a gas. Whoa, and onto the floor. You should do it on a plate or something like that. For the rest of the vlog, I'll show you a few other things I've been doing last week, and I'll upload this today. All right. It's hovering. It's magic.
It's magic. It touches the thing. This is all for science.
Oh, he's getting hit. Here, there's that.
Oh, it's actually just the aluminium hitting me. It's not actually that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a little whip.
It's like a whip. It's not working. Oh! Yeah. So you may want to turn off the lights.
So, no. The negative is repelling. The negative is repelling the cathode rays. And down.
I've unscrewed the camera lens.
Right.
And yeah, can now do really close-up shots.
Let's have a look. This is amazing.
Welcome to physics.
Wow. I'm doing a little bit of light and frost effect for a company's asked me to make a video just of the light and frost effect for them. So it's a bit of water on a hot plate. Let's have a look. Here we go. So we got some detergent.
Yeah.
Year 7. We're going to add some universal indicator. Whoa! The water is actually a little bit acidic. And we're going to add some sodium hydroxide. Oh, that goes purple. Alright.
Luke, we can't see.
And are we ready?
No, we're not.
No, we're not? Okay, here we go. What's going to happen? Dry ice? Woo! Look at that! Oh, that is so pretty.
It's a water.
Okay, girls. Time to lift that bowling ball up. Oh, not a bad angle. Is it horizontal? No. It's a pretty high tension. Alright, so what are you going to heat up?
The ring.
Keep holding it. Hey!
Sorry. Wow, giant. Oh, someone actually made a really good like.
Oh, what is that machine? It's a double-decker, triple won't work thing.
Won't work.
Oh, Kanye is watching. No, then you. Woo! Are we ready? Set, go! Here we go! Oh! Oh, there's a wheel! Whoa! 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 Look at it go! Woo! Woo! I like it. Look at, is that a design feature, the wobbly wheels?
Yes.
Kanye is watching.
Just like that. And you can see that.
It's really close together. It's a really high one.
Sorry. Transverse wave that goes up and down. So hey, careful, so you how it goes up, you can just.
Okay, year 7 science, we're looking at energy changes. So I've got the room set up in round robin style, and we'll go have a look at all the different bits of equipment and the different types of energy changes. Let's go. That'll probably do it. If you found any of that helpful, please feel free to subscribe to Make Science Fun. I'm sure that there's some science in there that you'll enjoy doing, some engineering projects, that sort of thing. Okay, bye from Australia.